Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. I traded the grabs. We got some 26x14 hardcore 22s now. 35 Conforcers. They gotta go. I ain't gonna lie, we gotta get rid of the Conforcers. They ain't gonna be around much longer, if I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm not a fan of the stretch Conforcers. They're eye bad and they're just sketchy, I ain't gonna lie. I want some it's pretty wide though, I ain't gonna lie. It looks like that one's on his offset because I got the wheel cut a little, but I want to get some 37 Glads or either Trailblades. I ain't gonna lie, that would be tough, but that's what's next. But yeah, I was just gonna show y'all that, update y'all on that. I'm really happy with the way they look though. It looks mean. I just put the wheel cut a little. This wheel was turned a lot more than that one. But yeah, I was just gonna show y'all that. Thank y'all for watching. I really am trying to post more. I just ain't had a lot going on, to be honest with you. I just traded for these. I straight traded, but that's them. I just washed them. They was dirty, but they look good. So yeah, peace out.